discuss kanina PRO, we have this move to automate. Kasi ang general concept ko sa in reforming customs is reducing the number or reducing the opportunities for connivance, because it is all about connivance. Yung face-to-face transactions, so we go automated. There is this unit in customs, ang pangalan ng unit is the entry processing unit. In the old procedures, what they did was really manually check the import entries, compliance, completeness, before they pass it on to the examiner, depending on what section. So commodities are divided into sections. So ang weakness doon, that's why connivance and corruption happen, is that may discretion yung entry processing unit. He can decide na kung commodity is supposed to be section 1, pwede niyang sabihin sa section 2 mo na dalhin. Kasi doon siya may kausap. And that results in technical smuggling kasi dapat nga by sections, by commodity yun. Ibig sabihin, ibang section yung nagpa-process ng commodity na yun. Sometimes para yung tariff rate, yung duty rate, ang ma-apply yung mas mababa. So that's the entry processing. It's a manual system na may duty. So in our drive to automation, we issued an order automating that process. Basically, mawawala yung discretion.
Ilan tao yan sa iyo?
Hindi na yung nasa tiyo. Probably mga 12. Yes, all ports have their own EPU, entry processing unit. So in one EPU, mga ganun, 10 to 15. So ang mangyayari sa kanila, i-distribute namin to other units. Yung memo na sinulat namin, nakalagay, yung abolition of the entry processing to be replaced by an automated system. They use that as basis to go to court, to a Manila RTC,
Yes.
to a Manila RTC, and applied for a PRO against our order. Ang grounds naman nila is that their employment is endangered. And they were granted the PRO. So hindi ko ma-implement yung one automation project namin because of that. And eventually that PRO went permanent.
Hindi a permanent job. But was there alleging constructive dismissal?
So you can see that even within the organization, there is really resistance. Diba? We've heard stories of automation projects, sinisira isipin ito, hinarang yung automation initiative legally. So we just have to do a workaround sa blockage.